Hello, good morning children. Welcome to today's session of online class of Sri Gokulam Guruvayur. Today we are going to discuss a new ratio, that is operating ratio. It comes under the profitability ratio. We have discussed the profitability ratio in our last class and done the problem related to the gross profit ratio, which also come under the profitability ratio. So today we are with a new ratio under profitability ratio, that is operating ratio. So let us move to the class and know more about the operating ratio.
Children, the ratio which we are going to discuss today is operating ratio. Let us have a review on the types of ratio first. There are 4 types of ratios: liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratio and profitability ratio. Presently, we are discussing profitability ratio. We have already learned what is gross profit ratio in our previous class. Today, let us discuss operating ratio. The formula to calculate operating ratio is cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses divided by revenue from operation into 100. There is one more formula: operating cost divided by revenue from operation into 100. So you can select any one of the formula according to the items given to you in the question. Here is a more detail about the ratio. The 2 formula we have already discussed. The expression of operating ratio is in percentage. So the answer for operating ratio is expressed in the format of percentage. If you look into the formula, to calculate cost of revenue from operation, there is 3 formulas given to you. The first one is opening inventory plus net purchases plus direct expenses minus closing inventory. If you look into the question, you can see you have to exclude spare parts and loose tools while calculating opening inventory and closing inventory. The other formulas are revenue from operation minus gross profit. There is one more formula: cost of material consumed plus net purchases of stock in trade plus changes in inventories of finished goods, work in progress and stock in trade plus direct expenses. So there are 3 formulas given to you. So decision about the formula will be on the basis of the items given in the question. Cost of revenue from operation we have already discussed in our previous classes when we were calculating other, that is inventory turnover ratio and gross profit ratio. We have already learned these formulas. The only difference is you have to exclude the spare parts and loose tools while calculating opening inventory and closing inventories. The next part of this formula is operating expenses. There are 2 formulas to calculate the operating expenses. They are employees benefit expenses plus depreciation and amortization expenses plus other expenses. So this is one formula, or you can use the formula office expenses plus administrative expenses plus selling and distribution expenses plus employee benefit expenses plus depreciation and amortization expenses. Here also, according to the item given to you in the question, you have to make a choice. So, and the bottom item is revenue from operation, that is the sales value. So this is the first formula. Now regarding the second formula, the operating cost can be calculated by using the 2 formulas. The first formula, you can see cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses, or you can use cost of material consumed plus purchases of stock in trade plus changes in inventories of finished goods, work in progress and stock in trade plus employee benefit expenses plus depreciation and amortization expenses plus other expenses. In short, operating cost is cost of revenue from operation. You know what are how to calculate cost of revenue from operation. Plus, you also know what are the formulas for operating expenses. So adding the items of cost of revenue from operation with the operating expenses, adding that together, you can calculate operating cost. Okay, so these are the explanation of two formulas. Now let us move to a problem. From the following information, calculate operating ratio. You are provided cost of revenue from operation, that is 6 lakh, revenue from operation 8 lakh, operating expenses 40,000. The first part of your solution is writing the formula. Operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses divided by revenue from operation into 100. All the three items is given in the question. Just substitute the amount. Don't forget to write into 100. So you will get the answer as 80%. So your operating ratio is 80%. Okay, it's a very simple problem. The next problem is revenue from operation is given to you as 30 lakh. Cost of revenue from operation is 12 lakh 50,000. Operating cost is 15 lakh. Calculate operating ratio. Now, as you know that operating ratio, you have two formulas. So, to make a choice of the formula, you can see that cost of revenue from operation is given to you. But here, operating expenses is missing. And in the second formula, in case of second formula, operating cost plus revenue from operation. So, you can make a selection of formula according to the item given to you. So, you are given operating cost. So, that formula can be used. Operating ratio is equal to operating cost divided by revenue from operation into 100. Substituting the amount, you will get 50% as your operating ratio. Children, if you are using the first formula, what is the first formula? Cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses divided by revenue from operation. So, if you look into the question, operating expenses is not provided. So, you can't use the first formula. Okay. So, that way you have to make the selection of the formula. Next problem. From the following information, calculate operating ratio. Revenue from operation is given as 6,80,000. Rate of gross profit on cost is given 25%. Selling expenses is 1,44,000. Administrative expenses is 73,000. Now write down the formula. Operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses divided by revenue from operation into 100. But you can if you look into the question, you can find out that they have not given you cost of revenue from operation, but a hint to calculate it is given to you. That is, rate of gross profit on cost is 25%. If you have looked into the previous problem or last lecture classes, we have done problem of rate of gross profit on cost, that is finding of cost of revenue from operation if this additional information is given to you. Okay, so if this information is given to you, you can find out cost of revenue from operation through a working note. So let us move to the working note. Calculation of cost of revenue from operation. Here they have given you that rate of gross profit on cost. So whenever there is the wording on cost, assume cost as 100. In your question it is given that gross profit is 25%. So make gross profit as, take 25 rupees as your gross profit. So what will be your sales? 125. Let me give you a more detailed idea about the formulas. Look here. Cost is 100. We have assumed that cost is 100. In the question it is given that profit is 25. So what will be the sales? 125. So assume, if you are assuming that cost is 100 rupees, you are selling that product for 125. If look into the question, revenue from operation, that is sales, is given to you as 6,80,000. So if sale is 6,80,000, what will be your cost? I am going to repeat it once again. Cost is 100, sale is 125. If sale is 6,80,000, what was the cost? So you can cross multiply and find out how much is your cost of revenue from operation. After doing the cross multiplication, you will get the amount as 5,44,000. Here you can look into the question once again. I have, as per our previous slide, cost of revenue from operation you have calculated and you got the amount of 5,44,000. This amount you can substitute over here. Okay. Now regarding operating expenses, if you look into the question, there are two items which are operating expenses, and they are selling expenses with 1,44,000 and administrative expenses 73,000. Here they have shown as a working note those two items. Operating expenses, they have added those two items, and the amount which you got as operating expenses is 2,17,000, which you are supposed to write over here. Divide the same with revenue from operation, that is 6,80,000. Don't forget to write into 100 because you want the answer into percentage. So when you calculate this amount, the answer which you will get is 111.91%. This is your operating ratio. The next problem, revenue from operation is given to you as 9 lakh, gross profit 25% on cost, operating expenses is 90,000, calculate operating ratio. This is the same type of problem which we have done in the earlier slide. So, write down the formula. Operating ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses divided by revenue from operation into 100. Fast, we can move to the working note. Calculation of cost of revenue from operation. As they have given you, on cost, assume cost value as 100. So, if cost is 100 and profit given to you is 25, what will be the sales value? 125. So, if cost is 100, sales is 125. Sales is 125. So, if sales is 9 lakh, what will be your cost? As you see, we have done in the earlier slide also, cross multiply the same way. You have to cross multiply over here, and the cost of revenue from operation for this problem will be 7,20,000. This 7,20,000 you can write over here as cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. It is given in the question. Write down this 90,000 over here. Divide the same with 9 lakh. What is this 9 lakh? Revenue from operation. That amount is also given to you. And into 100. So you will get the answer as 90%. So your operating ratio is 90%. So we have come to a conclusion of today's topic. Today we have discussed the profitability ratio. We saw that there are 5 types of profitability ratio. They are gross profit ratio, operating ratio, operating profit ratio, net profit ratio, and return on investment ratio. Today we discussed the operating ratio, which is the formula to calculate operating ratio is cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses divided by revenue from operation into 100. Or you can use the formula operating cost divided by revenue from operation into 100. Children, it is very important to study the formula when you are studying the chapter ratio analysis. It is all about formulas. So, if you are practicing this formula, write and practice. So, it should be there in your mind till the end of, that is throughout, it should be there in your mind. So, you have to write and study this formula. Notes is provided to you. Copy that notes in your accountancy notebook, that is problem for practice, and attend a test paper. Do the problem by your own and send it by 2 o'clock. So in our next class we will discuss what is operating profit ratio. So till then, goodbye, take care, thank you.